What's good, y'all? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're finna be griefing this car meet with my vigilante again. I'm gonna be getting a second POV, and there's no audio, there's no commentary in this, so that's my bad. But right now, we just kind of started out with me flying to the meet, and as I'm flying to the meet, I actually call the mercenaries on the host. So the host doesn't notice this because he's too busy trying to get everyone in. So he actually doesn't even notice this. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all how this turns out.
Got it.
So when I had got there, I actually noticed that the mercenaries must have already killed the host, either that or he killed himself. So what I decided to do instead was I called up Merryweather and I was gonna try to do an airstrike.
Hello, you're through to Merryweather Security Consulting. What can I do for you? We have someone on the way to your location now. Please throw a flare so they have a clear target.
Okay, heading back to base. Target has gone underground.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this short, quick, little funny car meet. I hope you guys enjoyed the different POVs. And even though it went wrong, I hope you guys enjoyed the fact that I still made something out of it. I didn't really do much from this point on. I just kind of went on about, griefing and killing people and things like that. I think I actually died right here. But if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned and come back into the video or come back to my channel for more content just like this and other content.